Letter job. A is for artist.
I'm an artist. Paints are paint. Yay, so pretty. Hi, I'm the builder. Let's build a house. Stack the bricks high. A fun bee house.
Hi, friends. I'm a chef, and C is for chef. Let's stir the soup together. Chef.
Let's check your heartbeat. D is for doctor.
It tickles. Sounds great. E is for engineer. Let's look at the blueprint. Now we build the bridge. F is for farmer. Hello, I'm watering my vegetables. They love the water. Hi, friends. G is for gardener. Let's plant some colorful flowers. First, we dig a hole. Yeah, all done. Hi, I'm H helper. Let's cross the street together.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. Hi, I'm an inventor. Let's build a fun robot. All done. We did it.
J is for janitor.
Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Cleaning the hall.
J is fun.
K is for knight. See the big K right here? And there's my castle. Yay!
Hi, I'm a librarian. L is for librarian. I love organizing all these colorful books.
M is for musician, playing a tune. Strumming my guitar, notes float to the moon. Musician!
Hi, kids. N is for nurse. Nurses give medicine to help you feel better. Just like this.
Hi, kids. I'm Officer O. Today, we're learning about officers. We help traffic move safely. Bye now.
Hi, friends. I'm a pilot. P is for pilot, and I'm flying high. Whee, what a view.
Q is for queen. Hello, friends. I'm a queen. Wave with me.
Hi, I'm Ranger. In the forest, I protect my animal friends.
S is for sailor, sailing on the sea. The boat rocks gently, as happy as can be. Hi, friends. Let's learn the letter T.
T is for teacher, baby.
Great job. You're all superstars.
U is for umpire.
Out!
Hi, kids. I'm a vet. I'm checking this cute puppy. V is for vet. Hi, friends. Let's see what's inside. This is an X-ray. It shows our bones. Pretty cool, right?
Hi, friends. Let's try a yoga pose for the letter Y. Reach your arms up high like a tall tree. Now bring them down, hands together. Z is for zookeeper. And for you, elephant.
Catch this, monkey.
A, B,